Effects of hypothyroidism on body. Hypothyroidism is a condition in which the body lacks sufficient thyroid hormone. Since the main purpose of thyroid hormone is to run the body's metabolism, it is understandable that people with this condition will have symptoms associated with a slow metabolism. If it left untreated, hypothyroidism can progress and cause a multitude of complications, such as 1. Birth defects. If you are pregnant and have an untreated thyroid disorder, your child may have a higher risk of having birth defects than babies born to healthy mothers. Babies born to women with untreated thyroid disorders may have significant mental and physical development issues because thyroid hormones are vital for brain development. Fortunately, if these problems are addressed shortly after the birth, the child may experience healthy development. An abbreviated thyroid function test is part of the newborn screen. This usually includes a panel of blood tests performed on a newborn to exclude diseases. Reproductive system. Women with hypothyroidism may have irregular periods, heavy periods, or missed periods. They can have trouble getting pregnant or be more likely to have a miscarriage if they do get pregnant. Goiter. When your thyroid overexerts itself in an effort to produce an adequate amount of hormones, the excessive stimulation may cause the thyroid gland to enlarge to the point where you have a bulge in your neck. This is known as a goiter. Heart problems. Hypothyroidism, even in its mildest forms, can affect the health of your heart. An underactive thyroid can increase your risk of developing heart disease because it increases levels of bad cholesterol. Too much bad cholesterol can lead to atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, which can increase your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Hypothyroidism can also result in the buildup of fluid around the heart, a pericardial effusion, which may make it harder for the heart to pump blood. Infertility. If thyroid hormone levels are too low, it can affect ovulation and decrease a woman's chances of conceiving. Even with proper treatment for hypothyroidism, thyroid hormone replacement therapy, there is no guarantee that the woman will be fully fertile. Mental health issues. The symptoms of hypothyroidism can take a mental toll if left untreated. Mild hypothyroidism can cause mild forms of depression. But without treatment, the symptoms of hypothyroidism will increase. This can directly affect your mental state, and your depression may intensify as a result. Hypothyroidism can affect every part of your body, from your brain to your skin. And the condition is different in everyone. Some people have mild symptoms while others have more severe symptoms. Taking medication your doctor prescribes is most important so you can manage this condition and its symptoms and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.